Mike McGilvary with Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts. Most times, South Florida tile roofs still have usable life left. In some cases, they can be repaired and rebuilt. However, in other cases, sometimes the roof is actually at the end of its life. In this case here, this tile roof system was at the end of its life. We determined that a roof replacement was in the best interest of the owners. So our team is here currently replacing this 10,000 square foot tile roof. Our family has been servicing Palm Beach County and Southeast Florida since 1972. All of our technicians are in-house skilled technicians. We don't subcontract anything out to cheaper labor. If you have a tile roof in South Florida and the insurance is giving you an issue based on the age of the roof alone, call us, Mike McGilvary Roofing. We'll provide a free comprehensive inspection, show you the actual condition of the roof, explain all of your options, and let you decide which way serves you best. Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation expert.